Welcome to Insightful Value, your go-to source for deep, clear, and jargon-free analysis of undervalued companies. First things first, this review is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Today we're talking about Bank Rakyat Indonesia, one of the largest and oldest banks in Southeast Asia, and a heavyweight in Indonesia's financial sector. The stock has been moving up and down frequently, catching the attention of many investors. So let's break down what's going on. Bank Rakyat Indonesia, or BRI, specializes in microfinance and has an extensive network that reaches deep into the rural economy. That gives it a strong edge in a country where a significant portion of the population is still underserved by traditional banking. The bank's ability to tap into the informal economy has long been one of its strengths, allowing it to generate consistent interest income from a massive base of small borrowers. But with those strengths also come challenges. The stock's volatility often reflects market reactions to macroeconomic shifts in Indonesia. Currency fluctuations, changes in interest rates, and political noise all have an outsized impact. On the fundamental side, BRI recently posted solid results. Net profit grew in the latest quarter, driven by strong loan growth and improving asset quality. Non-performing loans remained low, and the bank's cost efficiency ratios improved. However, despite the healthy financials, the market hasn't been steady on BRI. Investor sentiment is jittery, partly because of global uncertainty around emerging markets and concerns about inflationary pressure in Southeast Asia. Add to that the fluctuations in commodity prices, which impact Indonesia's broader economy, and you've got a recipe for short-term volatility. But from a value investing perspective, this kind of environment is where opportunities emerge. BRI has a dominant market position, strong management, consistent profitability, and access to an underpenetrated banking segment. When you zoom out and look at long-term growth potential, especially in microfinance and digital banking, BRI becomes quite an interesting case. At Insightful Value, we look beyond the headlines. We break down companies like BRI to understand the real drivers behind the numbers and what they mean for investors. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, we help you make smarter decisions by simplifying the complex. For more insights on Bank Rakyat Indonesia and other undervalued opportunities, head over to insightfulvalue.com. And if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.